Whoa!
Where did this come from?
Whoa, did it come from the roof? It's getting kind of cold in here. I don't see it! Oh, it's a giant remote.
I don't see it doing anything.
Huh? Do you see anything happening? Lyndon!
What?
Lyndon, hello? Can you hear me? Lyndon, hello? Lyndon! Sorry! I should check here.
Whoa, what was that sound? Quick, hide!
That was a rough landing. Hey, anyone home? I think you have my remote. Let me check around the house.
Oh, we should close the window.
Hey! Oh!
I can help! Please, I can help! Oh, my foot's in the door. Silly me.
It's malfunctioning!
Don't worry, I can fix it.
Oh, it's time to save me. Should we help? I think it's too dangerous.
Don't worry, kids. I got this.
What's going on? This feels strange.
Uh-oh.
Press the what?
Play button!
A play button?
What? Where did it take me? I'm unpaused.
Oh, hi little friend. You look so familiar. Do you want to play?
No, I'm just leaving. I'll bring it back, I promise.
You took my remote.
I was just trying to explore the details. I promise to bring it back.
Big or small, lies are lies.
I agree. I'm sorry.
Got you. Where did she go? Huh? That wasn't me.
Where did the scientists go? Who knows? But there's got to be a way to fix this. What if we press the back button? Why not?
What? Again?
There you are.
Oh no! The remote! It's broken! I think we can fix this. We can try. Put it back there. What's that? Why is there a light there?
Huh? Hello?
Hi? Is the scientist there? She has a lab coat, goggles, and... Oh, and this giant remote. Yeah, what he said.
Wait, you know her?
Is that Alex?
Please be careful.
I'm not trying to be troublesome.
I'm sorry too. Do you know how to fix this, Giant?
Huh? The remote made me this big. That's why I'm trying to find it.
Oh, Alex, go to my rocket and bring me my remote. Trust me. Autopilot activate.
Okay. Almost forgot this. This remote is so giant.
Awesome, you're here.
Your scientist made me take it.
Not to worry, friend. I got this.
Huh?
Over here, this way. Come on, Charlotte, let's go.
You're a kid just like us.
Yeah.
Let's go back home.